Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the topic nested if in detail. So, what is a nested if? In some cases, when you want the program to change its direction based on the result of earlier condition, then we would use nested if. So, when we have an if statement inside an if statement, it is called a nested if. The syntax for the nested if is the following. First, we have the if condition, then we have an indent block, which in turn is a if statement, and it also has an optional else statement. Now we will look into an example to have a better understanding about the nested if. In this example, we have assigned three different values to three different variables a, b, and c. Now, first we check the condition if the a is greater than c. In our case, the condition is true. The 10 is bigger than 1. So the next block is executed, which is nothing but another if statement. Now we check whether the value a is greater than c, sorry, b. In this case, the condition is true. So the next indent block is executed, which is nothing but the print statement. After which the else block is skipped and the program moves to the next line, which is nothing but the end line of the program. If we run this code, the Python interpreter should display two print statements. One is the print statement, which is nothing but a is greater than b and c. Another print statement would be the program ends. Let's run the program. And yes, the Python interpreter tells that the value a is bigger than b and c, and the program ends. So when we have an if statement inside an if statement, it is called nested if. I believe you guys understood the topic of nested if in detail. See you guys in the next video.